This is a demonstration of analyzing construction schedules with AI. Why would we want to do this? We have very complicated construction schedules. Here is a schedule converted to CSV. We have activities and dates and other structure here for the data of the construction schedule. To extract, we can take a PDF file of the appropriate format and extract it here. But if we already have it extracted, we can just go here and upload the CSV. Some settings here. We can set which LLM model we want to use for analysis. I will use the free one currently offered by OpenAI and Grok. And this is also very important. We have two system prompts for the analysis. Strict, which is instructing the LLM to only use the data that are in the CSV, and inference, which gives it some more thinking or inference in the system prompt to allow it to do calculations and perhaps assume some construction knowledge when the CSV is being analyzed. We also have a warning that free models may be sharing the prompts with the providers. This is ready to go. I load the CSV and start chat. We have a bunch of sample prompts here. Some of them are assuming some things and some are just direct questions. Here is a rather comprehensive prompt to give us a report. And I'm also using inference mode to have it generate a little more thinking and creativity while it's doing the report. Of course, the different models are going to give somewhat different answers, so that might be something to experiment with about which models give the best results. Of course, free, doesn't cost anything, and the Gemini Pro is about 40 cents per query. Here is the LLM response. Once we have it, we can download it as Markdown or as Word. I'll demonstrate downloading as Word. And here we see it in Word format. Besides that, if we just want to copy and paste this into email or something, we can do that. When we use strict mode, we'll see very different results depending on what kind of prompt we give it. I will do reset chat, which will keep the CSV, but just let us start a new chat. And then we have something like this. In strict mode, it probably won't give us an answer. We'll try that because the CSV doesn't really talk about manpower per se. Not available in the data set. But if we go for inference mode and give it the same prompt, it's telling us that even though the data are not provided, that there's some more information there. In conclusion, decide which kind of analysis mode you want and which of the LLMs that you want. Let's just try that with the more expensive LLM and see if it gives us a different answer. It also seems like this LLM is taking longer than Grok, which is something to consider when using the app. We have definitely a different answer than what the Grok model produced. Is that worth 40 cents more? Probably. Something to consider. There is an example and a demonstration of analyzing construction schedules with AI.